The man with 3 fleshy noses and no bridge? Do you feel like drawing a C with Yamane on the internet? Finger machine first class. Draw a V on the nose and 2 bars on the bridge of the nose are very convex. It doesn't seem to match the facial features of Neat at all. I think you can really try it. Like a Korean woman. Colorless pleasure. Stroke drawing. Natural and 3-dimensional, mainly it is very suitable for our 5. Official is softer, and the endorsement appearance of the light hexagram. Come on, I won't allow anyone. This nose bridge is still 2 zebra crossings. Today's grooming method is the main one. Soft and natural. Don't do the thrush heart set of net feeling templates. So let's start with this. We just don't choose too dark for this grooming color. Like this gray brown one. The texture is also very silky. Then he smudged a very natural sense of shadow. But what about us newbies? It is recommended to start with a glossy side for this facelift. Back to the dark side. That's what helps me. Put this highlight in the shape of the bone. There is also this width and narrow, which is clearer. This is a beauty bar. This one on the other end brightens the head. So first, the salient point of our face. The wrong eyebrow is our nip. A fleshy nose like ours. His nose is relatively flat. So he doesn't saw this highlight. At this time, we will compare the width of your own nose. A little shorter, a little shorter. Pick up the pen short line, a little shorter. So this is the bright spot of our entire face. Then push it up and down to find this quantity. That's right, it's the back of our nose. And the ear cushions under the corners of our eyes. Here. Stand up. Upward. Just find the inside of our 2-wire cable. The brightness of the flat head. And our eyebrow triangle. Fill it up. Yes, at the same time we can put the higher point of the eyebrow arch. Hey, cover it up too. It is this kind of triangle diagram, so it's very delicate underneath. Then just point and push it away. Originally, the brightness was enough, but it blends naturally with the skin. Take a look at the highlight surface after it comes out, whether it's the front or the side. He has these very natural tall and straight dry lines, and the whole glossy side is intuitive now. After protruding, hey, you will find our nose silhouette. This dark side place. The entire location will look more intuitive. Then use our eyeshadow. The head is still the shadow from the nose. Push up. The first is under the tip of the nose. Up. Look inward for the highlights of a lifetime. Because it's a straight pen, so the shadow on the back of our nose looks like this. Just write the pen straight. And don't draw the back of the nose too thin. A nose that is too thin will look obvious. Prosthetic eyes come out. The shadow of this 2-wire at the root of the mountain. It also seems very intuitive. Pay attention to the shadow of the eyes. It goes in the direction of the eye socket. Don't connect it to the brow here. In another one, we simulate the high bridge of the nose. Shadows of exhaustion on both sides. Turn sideways a little. On the edge of the tear ditch, you also need to bring a little bit here. Just pat it with your finger. See you in every game. That side has this effect. It's very natural. Faint mother voice. Feel this degree. I feel that this nose is naturally sweet. No signs of facelift. But our nose. It's still a little less delicate than this part. So we're going to highlight the nose. This place on both sides. Give it a second emphasis. Put this rhombus skinny of this nose. Rich more. Very clear. But this place in your mind is like this. Just do it lightly. Because our place is relatively flat. If you touch him a little bit, it looks very earthy in real life. Just click to see. Like this shadowy line on either side of our own noses. Then you can brighten him up a bit. The nose is narrower. The bridge of the nose will also be sweeter. And now the shape of the nose. This is a positive effect. And then look at the brow highlight on the desktop. Is the whole shape very clear and skinny? I felt like the whole nose was pulled out at once. What about after having this nose? We can post the design. Ah, Rose. Bring him out first. Do you stand up with your nose? So the eyebrow arch is also three-dimensional. His whole connection will flow a little more smoothly. You can see a very three-dimensional eyebrow arch like this. Add a straighter nose. And he does it on the face. Very, very clear T-zone. Such a beautiful woman. Change the necessary conditions and you will know. Then you can go and get a makeup order. Use the color of your blush today. Just give the shaded part. Swipe a little bit of ambient color. Okay, this repair method is really my recent, very, very favorite style. Because Yamane didn't focus on portraying him. So when you look sideways, it's not dirty at all. It doesn't have that thick shadow feeling. Whether it's a close look, right? There is social distancing. And from a distance. This nose is very simple. And no matter how you look at it, it's 0 points dry of 4 YUAN.